I'm Courtney Scarlett, and along with 5 other women, I will be road tripping across the south of France with Indian motorcycles to celebrate International Female Ride Day. We are riding from Toulouse to Nice, including Monaco, and as a Formula One fan, I am very excited. I have ridden in France years ago. I think it was 2019. I went to Wheels on Waves Festival in Biarritz and I loved it. Ride and adventure along with us in this 2-part vlog. Met most of the girls now. Here with Demante, Tomboy a bit on YouTube/Insta. And then we've got some other girls. We've got Jasmine, Rosie, who I have not seen in 7 years. She's come over from the States, along with Jess from the Liters, Carolina, and there's another girl from France called Sophie joining us as well. And then we've got obviously the guys from Indian Motorcycles. So yeah, there's a little group of us. We're having a chill day today because obviously a lot of people have travelled in quite far. Not me, but other people. I'm just knackered because the flight was really early in the morning. And then yeah, tonight we're going for dinner, and then kickstands up, I think, at like 8 tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm excited. I don't know a huge amount. The blessing of these trips is that I don't have to be the adult in all of this. I just get to follow and ride along, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And I reckon it's going to be a really good week. It looks like the sun's going to be out. I'm excited. I'm very tired. I need a big long sleep before we get on the bikes tomorrow. Look at this gorgeous hotel room that I've trashed already. But beautiful view out here. And we're going to go for dinner. So I'm all ready for dinner. Only problem is I'm 3 hours early. So I'm going to go to McDonald's and get some chips because I'm starving. And to be honest, France isn't the best place in the world for food for me because I'm actually a vegetarian. So yeah, I'm going to go to McDonald's and get some chips. And then I'm meeting Demante. I'm not really sure what we're doing. We're going to sit in the sun, eat some fries, maybe film something. Who knows? We're both doing the same.
Content. And then you can just drop it.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
To France. Yay.
I missed it.
Oh, let's do it again.
We'll do it again.
Oh, wait, we have to sit after that. Cheers.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we do
That's
it.
good. You can just chug the whole thing. Oh, it's okay.
Do you...
Cheersies for International Female Ride Day.
Woo!
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Yesterday I was telling everyone how, you know, if we're going to be at a different place every night, I'm going to be so organised, have my bag and case all packed and ready and everything in a certain place. Anyway, here I am this morning just throwing everything into the suitcase because I've got to be downstairs in 2 minutes. So we are here at Indian Motorcycles in Toulouse. We're finally going to go pick up our bikes. Yay! I have no idea what I'm riding yet, so I'm excited.
Today you'll be on one bike, and then tomorrow we'll put
Ooh, so this is the lineup.
No, you've already been. You don't. Jess, you want to sit on the cheese bobber and see how that feels with the handlebars? Because you like taller.
Oh, yeah. Are the handlebars good for you?
Yeah, sweet.
Okay. That's yours?
Courtney, we're going to put you on
Yes.
one of the sport chiefs. Do you like red
Okay.
or black?
Red or black?
Yeah.
Black.
Black it is.
Eee, thank you.
Welcome. Jazz, you can pick whichever one of the XTRs you want.
So I've got my bike.
All right. Guess what? Gold one. Jazz.
Woo.
It's gone.
Ooh, that all looks
so good on you.
Is the alarm going to go? I'm gonna need one now that you're having one. You've broken the morning seal with the cigarette. What bike you riding?
This one.
You're on this one.
Yeah.
Nice.
The same.
So we've got a couple of FTRs, and then we've got Sport Chiefs. That's what I'm riding. Sport Chief today. Regular Chief, and then Scout Bobber on the end here. I'm gonna try this one another day. It's a beauty. So we're in Indian dealer in Toulouse. I think Diamante is going to be getting herself some clothes. Black is always better.
We have it in black on the stateside, so I'll mail you one eventually, one of the bomber jackets. But
I love bomber jacket is ultimately best jacket in the world.
We can mail you one. We have it in black, so we can mail one. Yes.
Thank you. Please.
What are you buying? What are you getting?
I'm getting this because I don't have any
Nice.
jumpers.
That's cute.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah,
That's the
it's
smallest
awesome.
size they have. So
No, it fits perfect. It's nice.
yeah.
It's nice. Yeah, this is really nice. You wanted it in black
It's
though.
blue. Don't feel blue.
Not a blue person. I'm not a blue person either. I like everything black. Have you ridden FTR before?
I don't know anything.
I think you and me and Sophie are maybe the only ones that haven't ridden Indian before. I think. Not a bad day job getting to drive that around. Back together, why?
Is that store for the bike?
Yeah, that one is alright. I was just behind her, so I didn't want to leave her.
It's always nicer when somebody is ready when
What happened? Did it stop? Her bike just stopped?
Yeah. It's just stopped in fourth gear.
Into neutral too, but yeah, the gear shifter at first
I
is
think
the
it's
stiffest
because
thing in the
they are
world.
new.
Pardon?
It's like a few adjustments that can be done.
Yeah. And you're used to riding on this side of the road, aren't you? I realised
Any side of the road.
I realised on the way here that I think I'm the only one that isn't used to it.
Oh, okay.
So then as soon as we got to a junction and I was at the front, I was like, oh shit, I don't know what the fuck I don't know where I'm looking. I don't know where I'm looking.
Oh my god.
And I'm so tired, I got
Just
confused.
go in the middle, you're on the bike.
In the middle.
I think that one.
Tea in French.
That's why I like ordering cappuccinos.
La même pour moi, s'il te plaît.
Oh, now I know. Café au lait. Café au lait. First stop of the day. Gonna get some much needed coffee. Oh, that was beautiful though. That was such a beautiful ride. I didn't actually film any of this first bit with the Insta 360. But it was stunning. You'll have to use your imagination.
That's better, that fits better.
It's better, yeah. It's okay, it's better to find out. Better to find out now than later.
Craziest ride here through the city. So hot, we're all sweating like a gross amount, but we finally got the bikes here. Yeah, it was just mental. The whole like where our hotel is, all the roads were shut off, and it was all gravel because obviously like tearing up the whole road. So we had this little off-road adventure only in a really busy city. So there was just to add to the drama, there was just people walking in front of us. We did quite a lot of things that definitely won't make the edit. Yeah, just trying to get through it and get here. It's the end of the day and we're all tired and we're so hot and sweaty. Yeah, glad to be here. Time to get a shower.
I just stop at one of these stops. Whether it's peeing on the road.
Yeah.
Did you pee on the road?
It was. Yes, I did. I always pee on the road. If you know me, I always pee on the road. Okay.
I was like, all right.
I know she was being sick. I'm just like squatting by the back.
I thought she was like dragging me. I was like, are you good? I had no idea where the pants were down. I didn't even realize that.
I know.
So you have to do what you have to do when you have to. You do. I don't. Hey, that's what I said. I was like, don't apologize. Sweaty selfie in here. Oh yeah, you haven't taken a selfie. You weren't even posting it, Jess.
That was really good.
That was fun riding at the end. That was fun. It was fun, but it was just too hot. It would have just been so much funnier if I wasn't sweating quite that bad.
But still, like sometimes when you get stuck in the traffic like this with a group of riders, and if everyone is a bit of an asshole, it's difficult. Whereas now it was just like, just a laugh, you know. Hilarious. Okay, I see carousels and the police and like people. Okay, but that's probably not where we're supposed to go. Police.
Yeah, at that gate, I looked at Sophie and I was like,
What are you trying to say?
are we glowing?
Yeah, do we?
Check in the hotel. Let's
do it.
We're gonna
Nice.
walk to dinner in like hour 15.
We are walking to dinner. We got to the hotel and had a... How long was that turnaround?
Maybe 20 minutes?
Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe 20
longer.
minutes.
I had a 2-minute shower.
Yeah. Oh, hey. You look fresh as a daisy. What the fuck? I've got disgustingly bad makeup, but I'm showered and clean. She looks so cute, doesn't she? I'm gonna just show you.
Do you know, I think this is going to die very, very soon.
Okay.
Very low on fuel. You can feel it towards the end. Oh, am I touching it?
You have the same bike I do, so.
Huh? Sorry, I still got my music playing.
You have the same bike I do.
I thought it was going to be a lot worse. I think you're like, I'm so sweaty, there can't possibly be any foundation left. Were we not meant to ride through there or something, Sean? Because everyone was shouting. And I couldn't tell if it was good shouting or bad shouting. So I
The
was
guys
just like,
with the guns let us through, so I figured it's fine.
yeah.
All I can do is put it in Google Maps and assume that it's going to put us on roads until we get there. And we get there, you're like, well, I see cars parked and bikes parked on the side, so you know what?
Oh fuck, I'm filming this for the whole conversation.
So we're finally at our hotel in Marseille. Marseille? I'm really losing the plot at this point. We just had a very long journey in a lot of heavy traffic, a lot of filtering in blistering hot heat. And then we get to this hotel and it's so weird. It's like a labyrinth. It's taken me about 15 minutes and 1,000 stairs to get to this room, but kind of love it because this is the kind of shit you never get in Britain, which is like awesome health and safety risk like this one. Like this epic door, which I can walk out onto this tiny, tiny balcony. I don't even know if you can see how small it is. Love it. Yeah, I've had a really good day's riding. It was a bit more motorways and stuff this morning, so it wasn't quite so thrilling, but this afternoon's been amazing. Back to twisty, cool roads and awesome scenery. And I was just saying to Carolina, like, you know, when you have those rides where you just never want to get off the fucking bike ever again because you're having so much fun, you're rocking out in your helmet, loving life, just thinking, thank God I started riding motorbikes. It was one of them. So yeah, it was awesome. And now I'm knackered. I'm gonna get a shower and chill before I guess we go and get some food. Yeah, really good day. So now we're walking around trying to find the van that has our luggage in it. It's fucking crazy here. I kind of love the chaos. It's good fun. But yeah, we've all like split up. We're all dotted around. Bikes are everywhere. People are everywhere. We're all like, we've got like missing camera equipment, trying to find shops and shit. It's funny. I feel like the madness that you get when you travel is just a different kind of madness. I feel like maybe at home you'd be stressed and annoyed, but here it's just funny. It's taken about an hour and a half to get the van, get our bags, and now here we are.
There you go. See, it wasn't ready yet.
Well, yeah, it wasn't ready yet. You just
This needs to be held. It just needs to be closed. That one needs to be closed. And I think you have to use the other door to get out on the floor. Alright.
Good luck.
That's why they used to have elevator operators just stand here and do it for you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
good luck.